Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, today it's your boy GB Reviews and I am going to do an unboxing for you. I got the new iPhone 11. I'm going to let you see it, but it's the iPhone 11 Pro Max, 256 gigs in gold. It looks peach, but it's gold. I wanted the green, but the green is sold out everywhere. And this actually sold out. This was the last one in this peach color. It may end up being a collector's item, but I want to do an unboxing for you so you can see what's in the box. I'll let you know what the price is, and we'll go through some of the features. But we're gonna go through, I'm actually gonna do an unboxing, and then I'll probably do a setup at some point, but the unboxing should be pretty quick. So, you know, Apple packages things very well. This is a 256 gig one. And so we're gonna see what it's like in here. That's not bad actually. If you look at that, it's hard to tell the colors. Hopefully we'll get much better colors, but it's not as peach as this box looks. This box looks a little bit more peach. Because of the matted finish, it actually looks more really goldish. Now the part that's really gold is this blinging gold bezel, which is okay. I'm not mad at it. But yeah, it's gold. It's like really gold. Not rose gold though. It's more, because of the matte finish, it's more of a matte gold. And then in the box, what's nice about the Pros is that they allow for fast charging. They gave you the bigger charger. You see this one? It's a USB-C to, oh, it's actually pretty good. I think that's USB-C. Yeah, it looks like a USB-C charger. USB-C to Lightning, which is kind of interesting because this is USB-C. It should have been USB-C to USB-C, but it's USB-C to Lightning, which is interesting. But hey, whatever, I'll rock with it. And guess what? Ta-da! They gave me a USB-C to Lightning cord, which is amazing. I already have a braided one though, but I like the fact that they gave me this. And in here is a booklet. And then we have these earbuds, which I always give away because, as you guys know from my other video, I have these nice Dr. Dre Beats. They're the bomb. These wired ones, they're good to give away. They're USB, or excuse me, they're Lightning. So I give them away to some people that don't have things, but these are what you want because they work just like the Apple AirPods, but they're much nicer. Well, the phone, it feels nice in my hand. I haven't taken the cover off yet because I have a cover, but it's pretty nice. And it's not as, I was really worried because this looks very peach. And I didn't really look at it in the store, I just ordered it. But it actually is it's a pretty gold. So I'm not nearly as unhappy as I was when I didn't get the green before. I think this is the sleeper color. People are going to find that the green is going to be played out because too many people get green. But I like it. I need to set it up now, but the setup process I'm assuming is pretty straightforward. If I can get it to come on, which it may totally not be charged at all, but which it looks like it's not charged at all. I probably need to read about it, because it's not doing anything. Normally they come on when you, oh, here we go. Turned it on, just so you guys didn't think it was a demo version. And then once it comes on, it should tell me that I can charge it. I wasn't happy with it, but now I'm actually happier with it. Oh yes, here we go, see, hello. And then it'll probably go in some different languages. Hola. And then I can just start setting it up. You know what? I'm actually gonna just go through this right now so you can see how quick it is. I'm just gonna set it up. Select your region or country. Our region sets up, and we're gonna set up manually. Choose my Wi-Fi. And then once it sets up on my Wi-Fi, which is it's telling me to choose my Wi-Fi now, um, then it should activate my phone and my phone should work, which I'm hoping it does work. I know you guys are like, what? Anyway, this process, it usually says taking a few minutes. I'm just gonna. The reason my video is not great is because I'm recording on an iPhone 8, which is the front-facing screen. I want to look at it, so it's not as good as if I had the rear-facing screen. But whatever. Data and privacy comes up. My Face ID is gonna come up, and I'm gonna set my Face ID. And so to set my Face ID up, I have to move my face around and move my face around. So I put my face in the screen. It's going to ask you to put your face in the screen and you move your face around. And it looks like that. It'll say setup complete. And then it's going to ask me to do another scan. So I'm going to scan it again. And it's capturing my whole face. It's capturing my whole face. Second scan and it says complete. So now my Face ID is set up, and then I have to now do a passcode. Oh, right, I forgot. I'm gonna have to reset my Apple Watch. I forgot about that. I think it's backed up to the cloud. So it's gonna ask me to restore from a cloud backup. I'm gonna put my iCloud email in here. And we're going to hope that it restores everything. Oh, well, we'll see. It may not allow me to do it because I updated the iOS today on my other phone. But we'll see. So now the iCloud is setting up, and I'm supposed to get a verification code, which I should have gotten. So I got the verification code. The reason it blurred out is because it sent it to that phone. But anyway, 7 minutes in, and I'm almost set up. It says taking a few minutes. So 7 minutes in, and it looks like I might be good to go with the new phone. Yeah, I'm excited to see what type of video quality we're going to get out of these new cameras, and what type of effects we can do. I will mess around with it, and we'll see what kind of videos. But I'm thinking, at least from what I saw from the Apple rollout when they were talking about the videos, the 3 cameras option here seems like it's gonna be amazing. And some of the things, especially with some of the third-party software that they have, where it can record at the same time, which is kind of cool. And then you can edit 2 different video streams, which is enter the phone code for. Let's see if I remember my code, my passcode. Sometimes I don't remember. And then, because, all right, so the thing that it didn't ask before, it said, enter your passcode from your previous phone, and it didn't do that before, but maybe I didn't pull it from my backups before. So it's pulling from my iCloud backups. I started using iCloud again. I used to only back up to my computer, but I started using iCloud again only because I'm paying for the Apple Cloud service, and I have so much space. So I decided to do that. Now it's asking me for the update that I was telling you about. I'm going to download and install the update. and now it's going to install the update. And so we'll see. So this is going, so I'm going to stop the video here. The software update, it should be quick only because my Wi-Fi's quick, but it's going to be, I think it's going to, oh, it says, look, it says 0 seconds remaining. So interesting. That's, I may be cooking with gas, my friend. Motorcycle riders. See, that's what happens when you lose your motorcycle. Watch my other video. You see my bike when it got destroyed. But anyway, it says preparing update, but I'm going to end the video here, and then we'll do another video about some of the new features that I'm finding on this phone. But that's it. It's your boy GB Reviews. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like below. Let me know what you think. If you've gotten a new phone, the new iPhone, either the 11, the 11 Pro, or the Pro Max, let me know what you think about the phone, and I will give you my impressions of the phone. I had a love-hate relationship with the XS Max. I just found that phone, while it worked really well, the cameras were really good, they just had a lot of wonkiness with the kind of the antennas in it. So the Wi-Fi and the radio antennas inside used to mess up all the time. I've had to replace that phone twice. But anyway, that's a story for another day. Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Thank you for watching. I'm out.
Subscribe right below.